All I wanted to remember for this video was to take a before and after photo of my eyebrow. Did I do that? Of course not. Hi, hello. My name is Doherty, if you don't know. I switched it up a little bit. I spent all morning making a new intro and end screen. Let me know what you think. I loved making them. Editing tutorials, I don't hate it, but editing things like the intro and outro, I love. As you probably know from the title of this video, today is an updated brow. They look like this. So if you don't like these brows, you should probably just exit this video now, like this. Both of the key products that I used, I have an affiliated code for. It's likely makeup will save you money on both. Links will be below. And I just want to quickly say that if you think I'm using these products because I have an affiliate link, you're only half right. I make a commission when you use my code on either of these products if you purchase them. But the reason I have affiliate codes for both of these brands is because I reached out and said, I love your products, I love your brand. Please give me an affiliation. Not that it matters, I just wanted you guys to know. I hope that this video clearly demonstrates how glorious this brow gel is. Sick of using soap, but still want that glued down soap brow? Ding, ding, ding. This is the one. Of course, on the day that I want to film super close to my eye, I have like a blemish on my eyelid. Who gets a blemish on their eyelid? We probably all do. That actually sounds like a pretty normal thing. I think that's all I have to say. Here comes the tutorial. Is this close enough for you? It's definitely close enough for me. Do you guys mind if I use a little pointer like I'm a school teacher? This is what my brows look like naturally when I wake up in the morning. I have a decent amount of brow hair. They're a little bit wiry as I get older, and they have some holes. I also have like the tiniest bit of micro blading left, mostly here in the front. But other than that, it's pretty much faded. As far as grooming goes, I very, very rarely do anything to my eyebrows. I'll pluck a hair if it's like way down here or like way up here. Or sometimes on this side, I grow a blonde hair that grows to be about an inch long. It's very strange. So the first thing I always do in my brow routine is just brush them all up. Not like up, but like up and over. This one hair is so bold. Actually, maybe I'll leave this brow and then we can compare. This is the brow gel. That's what it's called. It's from Beauty Care Naturals. It's a clean product, non-toxic, none of the bad stuff in here. And this, from the first time I used it, became my favorite brow gel. It's unlike any brow gel I've ever used. So when you take it out, you want to kind of take off the excess because you don't need a lot. And then you're gonna apply it to the brow. It goes on white, but it does go clear. So just making sure it's all brushed through all my brow hairs. And then taking that same spoolie, I use this to brush it through and comb my eyebrows into the direction that I desire. And you actually have to work kind of quickly because this dries down and it's like glue. Like, these are stuck. You don't have to do them this fluffy if this isn't your style. You can just use this gel to keep your brows in place however you want them. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Better Brows pencil from Bold Face Makeup. This is in the shade B5. It's so itty bitty, and I'm mostly gonna start filling in just little holes. I'm not gonna add any product to where I have a lot of brow hair because that's just unnecessary. And that's also why I do the gel first, because then it kind of reveals where we need product. I've been very much a fan of the laminated brow look, and you can get that laminated look with that brow gel just using little hair stroke motions and just giving the brows a nicer shape and filling in the little gaps. And then just gently brushing it through again to soften that pencil. and then going back and just adding more where necessary. I like to take a little bit of translucent powder and I just apply it to the front of my brow. It just softens it slightly. Translucent powder is also really great for if you feel like your brows have a little bit too much warmth. Adding a powder on top will really cool them down. And then if you want, you can add a little bit of highlighter under your brow for a nice bit of glow. And that'll give the brow a little bit of lift. So we've got one brow done and one that still needs a little bit of work. I'll show you also what it looks like on my whole face. Full brow, not so full brow. Lovely brow, also lovely brow. I'm gonna slap the other one on real quick. You can even stop after the brow gel and just rock a fluffy brow with no filling in. The hardest part is just making them match. Now I have two brows that are close enough. This brow style won't be everyone's cup of tea, but if it is, then give it a try and let me know what you think. What is your favorite brow style? What do you wear on the daily? I'm curious. Let me know. I think that's all I have to say for now. Let me know if you liked this little brow tutorial and if there's any other little tutorials that you would like me to film. If you made it all the way to this point in the video, I very much appreciate you and I hope to see you in the next video.